Maria Carmela Brosas, born July 15, 1975, better known by her screen name Kakay or K Brosas, is a Filipino actress, comedian, singer, and television host. She was born in the Philippines to an American father and a Filipina mother, and was a band member of Gladys and the Boxers and was lead singer when the group performed as K and the Boxers. Inside K Brosas' new home, recalls bad experience with her contractor. K Brosas has finally moved into her 3-story house. Not only was it the very first house she can call her own, she also waited 5 years for it to be completed. The previous contractor left the job in 2021, even when K had paid 7 million pesos for the whole project. In an interview on Pepliv, the TV host-comedienne admitted she was filled with mixed emotions when she moved into her home. K exclaimed, "My first night, I really enjoyed it. I couldn't believe it. Is this my house? I'm so used to disappointments. It's like, oh my God, here it is. And here it is." Starting with the living room, she got her L-shaped sofa and dining table from Silpal Joyce Furniture, Lights, and Decor. Moving on, here's the dining room. On Instagram, K revealed that the painting that perfectly suits her home was a gift from her lawyer Nico B. Valderrama. And the kitchen. K worked so hard for the house and feels relieved that she can finally enjoy it. She continued, "You know what I went through there. It's terrible. 9 years ago, I bought the land. 5 years ago, I started groundbreaking. A lot happened. I lost several million. It was a lot of stress. My depression and anxiety attacks got worse there. It's not noticed because it's not shown on TV. If you're a weak person, maybe a lot of people have given in to what I went through. But because we have faith, we cling to it. At the same time, the belief that you'll get through it. If you've passed the tests, that's it. But I didn't say I can. Legal action is still there." She was referring to her pending legal complaint versus the previous contractor, filed before an unidentified fiscal's office in September 2021. K's hotel-inspired bedroom. On a lighter note, K's eyes perked up when she talked about her hotel-inspired bedroom. Beaming with pride, she said, "My body has been molded there. I'm not going out." Actually, back then, when I was just dreaming of a house, I didn't bet on the mansion. I swear, I don't want a pool because the maintenance is difficult. The singer was very specific about what she wanted, especially when it comes to her room. K continued, "I just want my room to be a little bigger because I want a walk-in closet, a bathroom with a bathtub, a jacuzzi. I actually made my shower enclosed so you can take a steam bath." K designed her bedroom in a way that it would have the feel of hotel, complete with amenities. She said, "My room looks like a hotel. I have a coffee maker in the room, and the wine is immediately chilled in the mini fridge. Outside her bedroom is a veranda, where she also unwinds. The app theme for her bedroom is Zen. After a hard day's work, she looks forward to getting her reward, a much-needed rest away from worries and stress." Singer K Brosas celebrates her victory against former house contractor, who allegedly pocketed millions of pesos without honoring their contract and abandoned her house construction. In an Instagram post, February 13, 2025, the comedian said, "Several years of waiting and patience mixed with stress and anxiety. But the Lord is kind. The truth prevailed." K Brosas' more than 3-year court case against the former house contractor, who abandoned the singer-comedian's house under construction, has ended. In September 2021, K said, "It's just sad that even though I gave a lot of money and after all I'm done paying the full amount." He specified about 7 million pesos as the amount discussed. K filed the case in court on September 10, 2021. The court's decision came out on February 13, 2025. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.